New at 10, the Uvalde City Council has now hired a private law firm to block efforts to release videos, calls, and messages all related to the shooting that took 21 lives.
Tonight, in a conversation with our J.D. Miles, one state senator calls that move disgusting, says he might in fact file a lawsuit to get those records released.
Uvalde city leaders apparently don't want to release, quote, highly embarrassing information, end quote, to the public about what happened at Robb Elementary School on May 24th. Tonight, State Senator Gutierrez tells me he has serious concerns that law enforcement leaders could try to suppress or even destroy evidence. Weeks after the deadliest school shooting in Texas history, no new information or updates on the investigation from law enforcement, despite promises of transparency. If Uvalde city leaders and its police department have their way, we won't get answers anytime soon. According to Vice News, the city has hired a law firm to block the release of body cam video, 911 calls, text messages, emails, and criminal records. Vice obtained a letter to Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton arguing that releasing the records would be, quote, highly embarrassing, cause emotional mental distress, and are not of legitimate concern to the public.
We're just in this space where none of these agencies want to go off and tell the truth. This community deserves that information. To be where we are right now is uncalled for. It's disgusting.
State Senator Gutierrez, whose district includes Uvalde, says early missteps and inaccurate info from law enforcement have given way to secrecy after 19 students and 2 teachers were slaughtered by a gunman while officers refused to risk their lives.
I really want to know what it is that they're hiding at this point. Now it's not about, what is so damning here that we can't get to the bottom of this?
The Democratic lawmaker says the Uvalde County District Attorney's Office is using the veil of a criminal investigation to refuse nearly 150 requests for public records on the case. Gutierrez says that excuse isn't valid.
You and I both know that the defendant is dead, the perpetrator is dead, and so I don't know why we're hiding behind a criminal investigation when indeed, there are no suspects any longer.
And tonight, CBS 11 News has learned that Texas Senate Democrats are expected to take some kind of action early next week on this issue. J.D. Miles, CBS 11 News.